Hey, what's up guys, my name is Azeem and welcome back to another new exciting video. And in this video we are going to compare iPhone 8 with iPhone 7, and both of these smartphones come with display size of 4.7 inches. And in this video we are going to compare these smartphones. So first of all, let's boot up both smartphones at the same time. Both smartphones have pixel density of 750 by 1334, and you can see here that the winner is iPhone 8 because it turns on faster than iPhone 7. Charging port at the bottom in iPhone 8, volume up and down button, a silent boot button and the power button, and this is the SIM slot, and these are the speakers at the bottom. Same is the case for iPhone 7. The buttons and ports are at same position like iPhone 8. So now moving into the general and about phone section of iPhone 8, you can see that the internal storage capacity is 64 gigabytes in iPhone 8 and the RAM is 2 gigabytes, and the chipset is A11 Bionic, which is 10 nanometer chipset. And in iPhone 7 you can see that internal storage is 128 gigabytes and it also has 2 gigabytes of RAM, and the chipset of the iPhone 7 is A10 Fusion, that is 16 nanometer chipset. And both of these smartphones runs on iOS 12, that is latest software update from Apple. And in camera settings you can see that iPhone 7 and iPhone 8 both can record 4K videos, but iPhone 7 can record 4K at 30 fps while iPhone 8 can record at 24 fps and 30 fps and 60 fps. And here you can see that in cameras iPhone 8 was showing a yellowish tone in the camera, and you can see that iPhone 7 is showing the true colors. As you can see here in the picture that iPhone 7 has shown the red color brighter and iPhone 8 has not shown it in true colors. And here are the modes of camera. iPhone 7 has a back camera of 12 megapixel while iPhone 8 also has the back camera of 12 megapixel, and both of these smartphones have the front camera of 7 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. And now we're going to perform speed test. So here the dial-up, it was same on both of smartphones, and then the Safari browser, it was also same. And then here we have YouTube, and YouTube runs faster on iPhone 8, and videos, and then weather, that was a little much faster on iPhone 8. And home, and it was also same. And then photos, that was a little bit faster on iPhone 7. And then mailbox, it was also a little bit faster on iPhone 7. And here calculator, it was same. AliExpress app, it was faster on iPhone 7. And after that here we have cameras of these smartphones, and you can see that I have zoomed in on both cameras as it can be, and the resolution was good. And as I told you already that iPhone 8 is not showing perfect colors like iPhone 7, so the camera of iPhone 7 is best than iPhone 8. In my opinions, I would say that iPhone 7 has the best camera. And that was my video on the comparison of iPhone 7 and 8. If you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.